Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to send your Venmo QR code to people so they can pay you, send you money and so on. Make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Venmo website. So if you're on your PC, you can go ahead and go to venmo.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up, after which you'll be greeted by the homepage. If you're on your mobile phone, just go ahead and download the Venmo application so you can get started with the Venmo application. After which you open it up, we can get started. So same in your PC and application. First thing we need to do is log into our account. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is register using the button right here in the upper right corner or on the main page of the application. And once you got in your account, just log in normally. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page. If you're on your mobile phone, it's going to look like this. This is going to be your home page where we can go ahead and access our home section, our cards, we have our account settings and so on. So now we can get started with accessing Venmo and our QR code. And it's very easy because all we need to do to get our Venmo QR code that we can send to people is go into our account settings. And to open up your account settings, you're going to click the Me section right here in the bottom right corner. So the Me section right here, after you open it up by tapping it, it's going to open up this menu right here. This is going to be the main menu where we can get started accessing our account settings. So here in the upper right corner, we can go ahead and access our account settings. In your account settings, you can open up your personal details and manage how your QR code is going to look. You can personalize it and make it however you want. But if you do not care about that, you can just immediately go ahead and access your QR code by clicking this option right here. As you can see, next to your profile picture, you have this button right here that looks like a QR code. You want to open that. So by clicking on that, it's going to open up your QR code that you can get started with sending to people that you want to use for payments. So by using that QR code, they're going to be able to scan it and then send money directly to you. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching. Take care and bye.